Brandon, this is Brianna from Toriar Digital Marketing. You spoke with my employee Haley and said that we could send you this video. So I'm making this quick video to give you 3 tips on how to use Google's language on your website so that you can start appearing at the top of more of your customers' search results and get more business. And we're doing this because I used to own my own roofing company here in Alaska, so I understand the struggles contractors go through, and I also can relate that business owners are busy and they don't have that free time to learn how to use the internet and make it work for them to bring in more business. And what we found is the biggest thing that holds business owners back from hiring a marketing agency to do it is not knowing who to trust, not knowing who's going to be an expert or a waste of time and money. So we believe in giving our value up front, and we've been making these custom plans of attack and giving them away for free. And there's still been lots of business owners that reach back out to us and ask for our help to get this stuff completed. In fact, we're so confident in our ability to deliver results, we only take on one exclusive client per service type in any area because we don't want to compete with the results that we're bringing. So if after this video you see that we know our stuff and you're confident we can deliver the results you're looking for, give us a call and we can have a chat. If you want to take this information and use it to make changes to the site yourself, please do. This is free education. So I'm here to talk about, like I said, 3 quick topics, and that's content, citations, and backlinks. So I'm looking at your homepage here. You guys have a nice site, your phone number is listed out, and you've got the options to schedule appointments, which is always great. Now, the appearance of the site is for the customers. Google is not ranking your site based on looks. Google is using bots called crawlers that are scanning all of the content within your site to try and find keywords to rank you for in the customer search results. So for Google, content is king. Now, it's recommended you put at least 1,500 words on the homepage, and then you want at least 500 words on each back service page. Now, you also want to use a rule of thumb. For every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. Having your site built this way shows Google you're an expert in the industry and has Google putting your website at the top of more search results, which means more business for you. An example of what I'm talking about will be over here. So, Birmingham Roofing Companies is a keyword getting searched about 100 times a month. When customers do any type of a search, they're going to see this map pack called Google My Business or GMB. Since you have different service locations, keep in mind GMBs are geographic based. So you want to make sure you get individual listings for each area. Then you need to make sure you have your contact information, photos, and website. Once that's done, you want to get your contact information into citations, which are online directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, White Pages, BBB. There's thousands out there, but the goal is to have your contact information on at least 100 directories more than your top competitors so that you can start ranking in the top 3, which is where customers call it the most. Now, if we continue down, these are the organic search results, and Google rotates the top few sites for that first position in a Google dance, but we could see these are online directories. So your top competitor is actually the Hinkle Roofing, who's dominating the map pack. So let's go take a look what they're doing. We can see here they actually don't have too much as far as content goes, but they do have some. So this also can be attributed to the age of the website. Let's take a look on the other side of things. We use this paid tool called Ahrefs. Now this is showing what's happening on the back end of your website. Here we can see your homepage has a ranking of 33. Now your entire website has a domain ranking of 13. These rankings are on a scale from 0 to 100, comparing your website to every other website on the internet. And the ranking is made by the backlinks. So a backlink is when another site online links to your site and pushes traffic to you. Google uses these to be competitive, so you want to be careful. Not all backlinks are created equal. Before you link to a site, make sure that it is high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. So you have 754 links coming from 313 sites. Currently, Google is putting you in the ranking for 260 different keywords. You also have one Google ad running currently. And all this is giving you about 116 traffic of people finding you each month just on Google. If we take a look at Hinkle Roofing, we're going to see they actually have a weaker site. They don't have any meta tag description, but they have a lot more backlinks. So we will search through their backlinks to find the highest quality ones to put on your site and give you ranking. Then we'll hunt down backlinks none of your competitors are using and put them on your site so that you have the strongest site in the 40s, 50s, and can dominate the market. So their 1,300 links are coming from 216 sites. Google is putting them in the search results for 2,200 different search terms, and they are not running any Google ads. And all this is giving them 2,600 traffic a month. So you can see the opportunity to really grow your business is there, because even if only half the visitors to the site are becoming paying customers, they're still getting 1,300 roof opportunities a month. So I just wanted to show you you don't have to rely on Google ads. That's why I didn't even cover them. People use ad blocker. There are ways to get a lot of customers just by showing up in the map pack and in the organics. So a quick recap on Google's language, especially with you covering different service areas, you're going to want to put a little bit more into this, but at least 1,500 words on the homepage and at least 500 words on each back service page. Use that rule of thumb. Keywords can be multiple words, but for every keyword, you want at least 100 words of content to support it. Get your contact information into individual listings for your Google My Business and get that contact information into at least 100 directories more than your competitors. And go get high quality backlinks that are high ranking and relevant to the roofing industry. If you did these 3 steps, you guys would be ranking #1 across Google. I know it was a lot of information, but if you take this and apply it, you're going to love the results. My team is just here for feedback. We want to know if we're delivering good value in these videos. However, if you did want any help getting this stuff done and were interested in being our exclusive client for your service areas, give us a call. We'll have a chat, make sure we're going to be a good fit, and we can get your phone ringing off the hook with customers or even employees if you need to grow your work crews. Haley will follow up in the next few days for your feedback on the video. Thank you so much for letting us send it to you. I hope you got some good value out of it. Take care.